New to Scratch? Here are 3 quick tips that will make your project way easier. Test your games faster with Turbo Mode. Hold Shift and click the green flag. Your project runs at super speed. Make sprite fade or disappear using the set ghost effect block at 100. Your sprite is invisible, great for transition or hiding things. Want a retro look? Switch to bitmap mode in the costume editor and draw pixel art directly in Scratch. Which tip you will try first? Comment below and I will share more tips in the next video.